Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 6th maths on my YouTube channel. We will begin practice at 17 on textbook page number 34. Carry out the following divisions. First one, 4.8 divided by 2. Decimal fraction 4.8 you have to convert into common fraction. That is equal to 4.8 becomes 48 upon 10 divided by, if single number 2 is there, you have to take the denominator 1, that is 2 upon 1, that is equal to first fraction 48 upon 10, write as it is. Division will turn into multiplication. 2 upon 1 becomes 1 upon 2. Then you have to do 2 table cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 24s are 48, that is equal to 24 ones are 24 upon 10 ones are 10. 24 upon 10 is 2.4. Next, 17.5 divided by 5. Decimal fraction 17.5 you have to convert into common fraction, that is equal to 17.5 becomes 175 upon 10 divided by, if single number 5 is there, you have to take denominator 1, that is 5 upon 1, that is equal to first fraction 175 upon 10, write as it is. Division will turn into multiplication. 5 upon 1 becomes 1 upon 5. Then you have to divide 175 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. 5 bring it down. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25 0. Now you have to do 5 table cancellation. 5 ones are 5. 5 35s are 175, that is equal to 35 ones are 35 upon 10 ones are 10. 35 upon 10 is 3.5. 20.6 divided by 2. Decimal fraction 20.6 you have to convert into common fraction, that is equal to 20.6 becomes 206 upon 10 divided by, if single number 2 is there, you have to take denominator 1, that is 2 upon 1, that is equal to first fraction 206 upon 10, write as it is. Division will turn into multiplication. 2 upon 1 becomes 1 upon 2. Then you have to do 2 table cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 203s are 206, that is equal to 103 ones are 103 upon 10 ones are 10. 103 upon 10 is 10.3. 32.5 divided by 25. Decimal fraction 32.5 you have to convert into common fraction, that is equal to 32.5 becomes 325 upon 10 divided by, if single number 25 is there, you have to take denominator 1, that is 25 upon 1, that is equal to first fraction 325 upon 10, write as it is. Division will turn into multiplication. 25 upon 1 becomes reciprocal, that is 1 upon 25. You have to divide 325 by 25. 25 ones are 25. 32 minus 25 is 7. 5 you have to bring it down. 25 3s are 75. 75 minus 75 is 0. Now you have to do 25 table cancellation. 25 ones are 25. 25 13s are 325, that is equal to 13 ones are 13 upon 10 ones are 10. 13 upon 10 is 1.3. A road is 4 km 800 meter long. If trees are planted on both its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? First you have to write the statement. So the statement will be, length of a road is given 4 km 800 meter. If the numbers are given in kilometer and meter together, you have to convert only to meter. If you are converting only to meter, you have to write these numbers together, that is equal to 4800 meter. Distance is given 9.6 meter. You have to find trees planted on both the sides of the road. Before you find trees planted on both the sides of the road, you have to find trees planted on one side of the road. If you are finding trees planted on one side of the road, the fraction will become division. Trees planted on one side of the road is equal to 4800 divided by 9.6. That is equal to 4800 divided by decimal fraction 9.6. You have to convert into common fraction. 9.6 becomes 96 upon 10. That is equal to 4800. Division will turn into multiplication. 96 upon 10 becomes reciprocal. That is 10 upon 96. Write 96 table. 96 5s are 480. Then you have to do 96 table cancellation of the number 4800. 96 ones are 96. 96 50s are 4800. Multiply the number 50 into 10. 50 tens are 500. That is equal to 500 trees. That I got the answer of trees planted on one side of the road. You have to find trees planted on both the sides of the road. That is equal to 2 into 500. That is equal to 1000 trees. If you are finding trees planted on more than one side of the road, it becomes multiplication. Prajna exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. If she walks a distance of 3.8 to 5 km in 9 rounds of the path, how much does she walk in one round? The statement will be distance walked in 9 rounds of the path is equal to 3.8 to 5 km. You have to find distance walked in one round of the path. That is equal to 3.8 to 5 divided by 9. 9 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Decimal point is there. Decimal point you have to put in quotient place and then you have to bring one digit down. 9 fours are 36. 38 minus 36, answer is 2. 2 you have to bring it down. 9 twos are 18. 22 minus 18, 4. Last digit 5 you have to bring it down. 9 fives are 45. 45 minus 45, 0. Therefore, distance walked in one round of the path is equal to 0.425 km. A pharmaceutical manufacturer bought 0.25 quintal of Hirada, a medicinal plant, for 9,500 rupees. What is the cost per quintal of Hirada? In bracket, 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Statement will be cost of 0.25 quintal of Hirada is equal to rupees 9,500. You have to find cost of 1 quintal of Hirada, that is equal to 9,500 divided by 0.25. That is equal to 9,500. Decimal fraction 0.25. You have to convert into common fraction. That is 9,500 divided by 0.25 becomes 25 upon 100. Of the number decimal point 0.25, you have two decimal places. That's why you have to take denominator 100. That is equal to 9,500. Division will turn into multiplication. 25 upon 100 becomes reciprocal. That is 100 upon 25. You have to divide 9,500 divided by 25. 25 threes are 75. 95 minus 75 is 20. 0 you have to bring it down. 25 eights are 200. 200 minus 200, 0. Last 0 bring it down. 25 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now you have to do 25 table cancellation. 25 ones are 25. 25 380s are 9,500. Multiply the number 380 into 100. 38 ones are 38. Then 3 zeros you have to add. Answer is 38,000. Therefore, cost of 1 quintal of Hirada is equal to rupees 38,000. If you understood class 6 maths practice at 17 on textbook page number 34, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.